Hi, I'm Jonathan Pickup. I've been teaching Vectorworks for a long time. The new things that are available in 2025, some of these are really super cool. I like this new countertop. It is really powerful. You might notice that the edge of my countertop actually has an arrowed edge here, a little pencil round on the edges. Now this is a setting that you can put on in Vectorworks. I've got an arrow at each end. I can go to my countertop settings and I can choose the edge treatments. I can have a look at the edge treatments. Now the edge treatments that I've set up are to have that arrowed edge on it. So let's have a look at the general. Here it is here. I want to have a shark's tooth. I've got a shark's tooth already. Click OK. And you can see I've got a shark's tooth at this end. And I've got one at this end as well. So there we are. We've got those two shark's tooth on there. If we go back to the countertop settings, you notice I've got just those two profiles available. In my file, I've actually got 3 or 4 available. If we have a look at the edge treatments, I can go to this edge treatment here. I can choose profile or none, so I can actually turn off the edge treatment on one edge. There it is there. I've turned off that treatment on that edge. I can also look at each edge and choose which ones have got a profile, which ones haven't. So this is really powerful. The ability to do this in one of the previous movies, I showed you exactly how to put the sync in, which is really neat. And I've got some tips and tricks for that as well. So keep watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to get notified. There's a whole lot more movies coming on What's New in Vectorworks 2025. Thanks for watching.